he can see you this week. Look at that.
And did you notice we don't just have little nubby teeth anymore? We have big teeth.
Big. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, see how quickly they wake up?
Uh-huh.
You guys didn't have the right stuff to offer.
I guess.
Yeah.
Now you see why I have to start feeding him food this week.
Yeah.
Now when I start feeding them, I'll give them food like twice a day. So what they'll usually do is eat and then nurse kind of for comfort and liquid until I can get them to start really drinking water. And obviously the less they nurse, the less she makes, the less they have, the more they rely on food. DJ likes to watch her, so I watch it.
Yeah.
Isn't it interesting?
It's right up in his face.
Yeah.
Even last week.
It was, yeah, it's just kind of funny. Yeah, they're getting teeth all right. Look at those teeth.
I know.
You bite your mother's ear, that's taking a chance there, puppy. That's the ankle bite mama's ear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good girl.
It's amazing.
Oh God, two of them are.
Yeah. They get right off the front keys and they go right over there. Let's go, honey. There you go, now just sit there. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
2 pounds.
7 pounds, 2 ounces. That is enormous for a 4-week-old puppy. Here's Danica. Oh, she doesn't like to sit to get her weight. 6'12". Woo! So in 1 week, she gained 8, 9, 10, 1 pound, 4 ounces.
Oh my gosh.
That's amazing. There we go. No, if he's not. Here, get in the middle. Seems like he should weigh more than that. Well, maybe not. You're made out of marshmallow. 6'9".
Oh boy.
We don't want to weigh you. Yeah. 7'5". He's a tank.
And who is this?
That's Casey. They were born, they were 1 pound, 2 ounces. Now they're up to 7 something.
Oh my God. They're coming for you, Tim. Look out.
Hi. Hello. Hi. Come on. They're nursing on my shirt.
Today must be a growing day because they're all pretty quiet.
Yeah.
It's just wonderful. Well, pick me up, she says. Come on, man.
Hi.